Hey guys, today I'm going to be changing the oil on this 2020 Toyota Highlander 4-cylinder hybrid. Make sure your vehicle is on jack stand or on ramps like this. Open your oil filter cap and lift your dipstick. When you go on the bottom, there is 4 10mm screws that you need to remove the cover. Alright, when you remove the cover, here's the drain plug and there's the oil filter. I'm using the clamp style with a 3/8 ratchet to remove the oil filter. Alright, loosen the oil filter. Wipe the mating surface. I don't need to oil the oil filter O-ring because it comes pre-lubed. Hand tighten the oil filter. I'm using a 14mm socket on the drain plug. Make sure to pry your old gasket out. I put a new gasket on the drain plug. Alright, torque this down to 13 foot-pounds. Now put back the cover, make sure this prong is going on the top. Then lightly screw it on. Now refill your engine oil with 0W16. I'm going to fill it up with 4 quart first. Bring the vehicle down to level ground. Turn on the engine and check the level on the dipstick. It's on level ground. I ran the vehicle. Now I'm checking the dipstick level. It's still on the low mark right here. It's on the mid mark. And it's up on the full mark, so that's good. And then we're going to reset our maintenance light. To reset your maintenance light, you're going to use the button on the left side of the steering wheel to navigate your driver information center. So what you're going to do is press right until you see this information right here on the wheel. And then you're going to press up and go to vehicle settings, press OK and hold. And then you're going to press up to schedule maintenance, press OK. And then it said reset data, yes. And the reset has completed, so you go back and you are done resetting your maintenance light, and that's how you reset your oil change maintenance light. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.